Let's talk about data-driven marketing. Marketing isn't just about creativity, it's also about data. The more you understand your audience's behavior, the more effectively you can tailor your campaigns. Use tools like Google Analytics or social media insights to track your performance and make informed decisions. If you have a funnel, look at your conversion rates and see how many people saw your ad or saw your landing page. How many people actually filled out the form? How many people opened their emails? How many people converted to become your clients from that link? You need to know your numbers and you need to know your conversion rates so that you can make adjustments and shifts to increase them and make them even better. Analyze what's working and what's not. Then tweak your strategies accordingly. Data takes the guesswork out of marketing and helps you focus on what drives real results.